Hello there and welcome to this week's update by Valet.io. I'm Valerio and I'm part of the WordPress maintenance team here at Valet. Another week, another company that works with WordPress Raise funds. Stratic, a static hosting provider for WordPress, raised 6.5 million. It's a hosting that turns your WordPress to a static site with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, essentially the front end of your site without the underlying vulnerabilities. Site visitors will be visiting an exact clone of your WordPress sites. Looks promising. WordPress 5.4 is now on the release candidate version and ready for testing. Its final version is scheduled to be released on March 31st, 2020. It will be the first major release of the year and will ship with some significant improvements. Don't forget to test your WooCommerce site for the next major update. We have released a blog post, link in the description, with some useful information of what's coming. That's it for the week. Have a wonderful weekend!